Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We tell you everything about cars. Today we have something incredible and exciting to share with you. The 2024 Ford Tourneo. Get ready to embark on the adventure as we explore its stunning features, incredible performance, and everything else that makes this vehicle a true standout. Let's start with the exterior. As you feast your eyes upon the 2024 Ford Tourneo, you'll notice its striking design that effortlessly combines modern elegance with the rugged reliability. With its sleek-lined, bold grille and captivating headlights, this vehicle exudes confidence everywhere it goes. This car has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which has a fuel capacity of 80 liters, a fuel consumption of 6.7 liters per 100 kilometer, and a fuel range of 1,194 kilometers on a full tank. And this car produces a maximum power output of 96 kilowatts and 360 newton meters of torque. With a COT emission of 174 grams per kilometer. I know that might be irrelevant, but still, I just told you. So take it or leave it. That's all for the exterior. We'll continue and get into the interior of the car. The base price of the 2024 Ford Tourneo is 735,000, but if you're looking to finance the car will cost you 10,907 rands per month for 48 months, with a total loan repayment of 910,000. The new Tourneo Custom is tailored to fit flawlessly. Find your ideal driving position with a fully adjustable driver's seat and steering wheel, and there's adaptability in the back too. with the versatile seating configurations, including conference seating, which can help create the perfect social space or maximize the luggage area without having to take any seats out. With a 12-volt power socket, auxiliary input, and a standard USB port, you can charge or play just about anything. And if you need more power, you can also have an optional 150 watt 240 volt power inverter socket fitted between the driver and passenger seats. When it comes to spaciousness, the 2024 Ford Tourneo truly shines. With ample legroom, generous cargo capacity, and ingenious storage solutions, this versatile vehicle offers the flexibility to accommodate your ever-changing needs. Whether it's a family outing, a weekend adventure with friends, or even transporting bulky items, the Tourneo will effortlessly adapt to your lifestyle. Now, let's step inside and experience the sheer indulgence this vehicle has to offer. As you settle into the plush leather seat, you'll immediately feel a sense of pure comfort. With spaciousness that rivals even the most luxurious cars, the Tourneo ensures that every passenger enjoys a serene and relaxing journey. Now, let's talk about why this vehicle is worth buying. Firstly, its refined craftsmanship and attention to detail makes it a compelling choice. Secondly, its outstanding safety features, including advanced driver systems, provide you with peace of mind on every journey. Additionally, the Tourneo's legendary reliability ensures that it will be a faithful companion for years to come. All of these factors combined make it a smart investment for both individual and business alike. The 2024 Ford Tourneo offers a remarkable driving experience. With its smooth handling, precise steering, and excellent stability, its range of engine options provide powerful yet efficient performance, making merging and overtaking a breeze. The advanced technology, including driver assist features, keep you connected and safe on the road. The Tourneo also impresses with its fuel efficiency. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And if you don't want to subscribe, like the video, because it will reach out to more people who would want to watch it. And shout out to our Grace Bukhole at Ford Tourneo Motors for letting us review the cars. And thank you. Please stay tuned, because the coming video is also going to be as great as this one. Thank you.